Hi, my name is Heather Ford, and I am a traffic attorney out of New Orleans, also known as the Traffic Ticket Lady. Today, I want to talk a little bit about about court in Westwego. Before I get started, if you ever have any questions, you can always shoot me a text at 504 Any questions about traffic tickets, suspended license, I'd be happy to help. Or you can go to trafficticketlady.com. So the courthouse for Westwego is at I think it's 400 4th Street in Westwego. It's actually probably a little bit closer to not that far from the Huey P. Long Bridge. They do have parking too, parking lots, but I will say they can get super tight really quick. So if you want to be able to park and get in and out, I would come to court fairly early. Sometimes court starts a little bit earlier than they have listed on the ticket, so that's just a little bit of a tip. Maybe come in early, might can get in and out quicker than you think. So I find that quite often they will let you handle tickets in one appearance in Westwego, but I can't say that's always going to be the case. It might be on a case by case basis. So basically, the procedure for the ticket just depends on the court. Sometimes you can come in on the court date listed at the bottom of your ticket, and you're able to get everything resolved that day. You can talk to the prosecutor. And hopefully, as always, getting a ticket dismissed would be great. But the most important thing is to make sure it gets reduced to a non-moving violation. But if they won't let you do it all on the same day, then there'll be a two-step system, which means you'll come in, plead not guilty before the judge, and then they'll give you another court date. And at that second court date, that's when you will have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor. Again, the most important thing to try to accomplish is to keep those tickets, those moving violations, off your driving record, get it reduced to something non-moving. After which you talk to the prosecutor and able to come to an agreement, then that's when you will talk to the judge. The judge will set the fine amount, give you time to pay, and you can at that point they usually send you to either they have you sign off on a payment plan, and you can go from there. I will say that Westwego has court twice a month traditionally. It's usually the second and third Thursday of the month. You don't want to miss your payment plan. If you do, it can be very difficult. They will suspend your license. They will send that paperwork to the DMV, and then you have to get back on the payment plan. It means you have to come all the way back out to Westwego to try to resolve it. So they do make it easy. They allow you to make a payment plan, pay online. It's a fairly smooth process. It's really fair in how much you have to pay each month. And as long as you honor that agreement, you pay every month online, you wouldn't have to come back. So if you have a ticket in Westwego and you ever just have some questions about how things work out there, I'd be happy to give you my thoughts. Um, you can shoot me a text at 504-233-8529, or you can go to trafficticketlady.com. Thank you and have a great day.